So this is the old bullet style connection voltage regulator. Later ones were spade, male and female spade connectors. So that has to come off as well. Now I was often wondering what this wire was for. And we can see there's a yellow wire that's not part of the loom, and that's going there. Normally, if you look in the back there, there is a starter switch. You're not normally able to start or turn the key, like get power to the solenoid, unless the tractor has the high-low gear stick in neutral. So they're after bypassing that, and I can see the other wire on the other side is actually, it's actually there and it's covered up. So I'm going to wire that back up standard and get rid of this wire, and then this wire here will go up to the solenoid. That's another little job I'm going to do. So this is inside the voltage regulator, and this is your voltage regulation side of the regulator, and this is your cutout. So the places you need to clean are in there. So you push the armature down and clean him. You need to clean the points in there. You need to set that gap after you set in there 21 thou. According to the manual, you need to have between 25 and 40 thou between the black tab and that. That's just a stop tab. And then when you push this armature down, there should be a little, as they call it, a deflection of 10 to 20 thou, just to make sure that there's a good connection there. So everything's cleaned up. I ran the Dremel in them holes, and I'm after cleaning them up fairly well. And I'm after doing a bit of soldering there as well, just to make sure everything is good. So the job tomorrow is to fit it without the cover, and to get it running and to adjust that cutout so that it doesn't start opening until about 12.75 volts, so just above battery voltage. That's when that should start closing, I should say, yeah, closing like that. The magnetic pull on it there will close those points, and then when it goes below that, when it's ticking over, it should go back up. So you adjust those by adjusting him there, and that's a little, puts pressure on a tab there, and that adjusts the spring tension. And the same then with the voltage on the side here. The more you turn him in, the more voltage it's going to put out, so you don't want to put out too much, it'll only heat up the coil. So that's that ready to go hopefully now. So tomorrow I'll adjust that and plug in the digital multimeter and see how it's functioning.